In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Canva designs at once using ChatGPT and bulk create. This is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time, especially if you want to make quote graphics, social media posts, or any design series with repeating layouts and different text. Instead of creating each design manually, you'll generate your content, organize it in a spreadsheet, and let Canva build the designs for you in bulk. Start by opening ChatGPT and asking it to generate content ideas or quotes for your project. Be clear about what you need, whether that's motivational quotes, post captions, short tips, or themed content for a specific niche. The better your prompt, the more usable your results will be. Once the content is generated, review it and make sure it matches the tone and style you want before moving on. Next, place the generated content into a spreadsheet. Keep your spreadsheet clean and organized because this is what Canva will use to fill your template automatically. Usually, each column represents a field, such as a title, quote, subtitle, or any other text you want to display in the design. Make sure everything is easy to read and properly aligned so the import process goes smoothly. After that, open Canva and choose a design template. You can start with an existing template or create your own layout from scratch, depending on your project. The important thing is to make sure your design has the text elements you want to replace with your spreadsheet data. Keep the layout simple and flexible so different text lengths still look good across all versions. Once your template is ready, open Canva's bulk create feature. This is the tool that allows you to connect your spreadsheet data to the design, upload your spreadsheet file, or paste the spreadsheet data directly into Canva, depending on what works best for you. After the data is loaded, connect each text field from your spreadsheet to the matching text element in your Canva template. When everything is linked correctly, generate multiple designs at once. Canva will automatically create a separate version for each row of data in your spreadsheet. This is where the time saving really happens because one setup can instantly turn into a full batch of ready-made graphics. Finally, review each design carefully, edit anything that needs adjustment, and then download the finished designs. Check for text overflow, spacing issues, or any layout inconsistencies before exporting. Once everything looks right, your bulk created designs are ready to use.